Alright, ready, go.
Hey, that was awesome.
If the grass wasn't there.
Oh, God.
Get your ass back up there. I'm going to see if I can't get you in the street.
We gotta go face first.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get your ass in the street.
Oh, God.
That would be fun.
Wait, no.
It doesn't work.
Does that have a rope?
I have no idea. It would have been more fun if you pushed him off of it.
Get back up there. I'm going to push your ass off. Why not?
He
It's
wouldn't
going to
get
be
me.
an imprint of my head on the side of his car.
That's okay. Dad can fix it.
Get a plunger.
Well, if they call you, you need to let me know. Tell Jenny to call Mom.
I want him to get his ass back up here to have you push him.
Come on.
I'm gonna see if Dad can pay the phone bill or not.
That did not go as planned.
It's no fun when he's just laying there chilling.
He's like, I'm gonna pull the grass.
I think it's a good thing we have an uncle that's younger than us.
You know one thing that sucks about Texas? Fireflies.
Fireflies I miss.
Yeah, fireflies I miss.
Hey, I'm like 10 feet from it.
Oh! He didn't even realize he was knocking it around with the chair leg.
That would have been perfect.
It's on video.
Nice.
I haven't stopped recording yet. Seeing what crazy? Huh? No, I don't think I saw that. Saw him flick it at you though. Yeah, hit your car.
Hit your car for it.
What'd the car do to you? I moved out the way.
Get that.
Zoom in. I got a scarf from playing chicken. You were goofy. What we did with our friend before is we tied a rope to the back of the car. They got on a skateboard.
Sped up.
Didn't think that would happen, did you?
Now let's see if he can stand up and walk.
Ain't even gonna try.
Yeah. you're sober.
Hey, at least it's all on video.
I know. It's like a 40-second video from him being on a bike at Walmart. What are you doing?
That's gonna be like, why is there grass?
What had happened was